Leudes travel pill bottle organizer, medicine organizer and storage, home medication bag, cases, carrier for pills, vitamin, fish oil, supplements for women and men, large, pink. About this item. Large capacity, a patent applied for medicine organizer bag. Inner main pockets with elastic straps which can hold bottles from 1.5 inch to 3.5 diameter. Different size elastic straps fit for sizes of bottles. 2+ size pockets are great for oversized bottles. A removable clear pocket is suitable for holding more accessories. The half opening of the front pocket can be put large weekly pill box and personal medical information safety inside. Special design, transparent sides for providing clear overview of contents to easy access the items. Special U-shaped zippers design for taking out the pill bottles or zipping up the medicine case quickly. Durable and safety, water-resistant, durable fabric and well-padded design to keep full bag's shape and provide great protection. Sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material, and it can stand up many items. Equipped with a double zipper which can be locked, you can choose the lock you like to lock it, ensuring your medication is safe. Portable medicine bag, come with portable hand strap, prepared for all situations and go anywhere without worry. Perfectly portable and convenient. Great gift idea, it is a pill container bag for a trip, also an organizer for daily family using, and a gift for your family and friends on Mother's Day, Father's Day, anniversary, Thanksgiving Day and Christmas Day. Bag only. Other accessories not included.